How to properly fit a backpack. Paying attention to how you wear a backpack can help you prevent back and shoulder pain and truly enjoy your adventure. Once your pack is on, make sure all of the straps are loosened all the way, so you might want to check each strap first. Well, it's never too late for you to start developing good backpack habits. Waist straps help to distribute the weight load to the hips, relieving shoulder pressure. And most of the weight should sit on your hips, so buckle the hip belt first and make sure this is snug across your hip bones. Adjust the shoulder straps so the backpack is high on your back and the shoulder straps are comfortable on your shoulders. Make sure to do readjustments on the shoulder straps so the pack is tight against your back. Your backpack should not sway from side to side as you walk. Buckling the sternum strap keeps the shoulder straps from drifting across your shoulders. If the straps start to rub, stuff sacks under each shoulder strap. The load lifters are the two straps that come off the top of the shoulders. Pulling them tight brings the weight to the pack closer to your body, while loosening them allows the weight to drift backwards. Don't over-tighten the load lifters. Excess tension that feels great initially can pinch shoulder joints and create discomfort. The more you wear the pack, the more familiar you will become with the fit and making micro adjustments. So that's it. Have a safe adventure always. Thank you for watching.